things I look forward to each year is an announcement by the American Library Association of its Youth Media Awards. It's then such a treat to find and read many of these books and discover them for myself. With today's book talk, I'm featuring A Wish in the Dark by Christina Soontornvat. A Wish in the Dark was an honor book in 2021 for the Newbery Medal. The Newbery Medal is awarded annually by the Association for Library Service to Children, a division of the ALA, to the author of the most distinguished contribution to American literature for children. It was named for 18th century British bookseller John Newbery. Fun fact, honor book is official terminology that has been applied since 1971 to the medal's runners-up. That terminology was retroactive, by the way, so all former runners-up are also termed honor books. So, A Wish in the Dark, such a delight to read, simply captivating and magical. The story is set in Chattana, a city where one man, the governor, is the source of all light. But the governor only allows his light to shine on the people he deems worthy. The story lets the author really delve into themes of equality and fairness while crafting a page-turning fantasy. On her website, Soontornvat shares that Victor Hugo's Les Misérables was her favorite book in high school, and her publisher describes this story as a Thai-inspired twist on Les Misérables. The story centers around Pong, who was born in Namwon Prison and dreams about life outside. He idolizes the governor and dreams of one day meeting him, sure that the governor will fix all that's wrong, all that's unequal and unfair in prison. But when Pong escapes, he learns that life outside is just as unfair as life behind bars. And Nok, the prison warden's daughter, seeks to restore the lost honor of her family by hunting Pong and bringing him to justice. The story follows both Pong and Nok. It really delves into their motivations and circumstances. And there are wonderful supporting characters the reader will come to love. Clever Somkit, who is Pong's best friend in prison, and the compassionate Father Cham, who becomes Pong's spiritual teacher. Look for A Wish in the Dark by Christina Soontornvat in our school library. Appreciation to our parents group for financing the purchase of this and other award-winning books.